Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned salsa. First, gather your fresh, ripe ingredients. It is crucial to use a tested recipe to ensure safety and quality. Remember, proper sterilization of your jars and lids is the very first step. This prevents spoilage and ensures your delicious salsa lasts for many months. Let's get started on this rewarding culinary journey. Now, let's prepare our vegetables. Choose firm, ripe tomatoes, vibrant peppers, and crisp onions. Peel and chop your tomatoes, discarding the cores and seeds. Dice your peppers and onions into uniform, small pieces for even cooking. Precision in measuring all ingredients, especially acidic ones like vinegar or lime juice, is vital for both taste and canning safety. This step sets the foundation for your amazing salsa. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Combine everything in a large, non-reactive pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully develop. Next, carefully ladle the hot salsa into your hot, sterilized jars, ensuring you leave exactly 1/2 inch of headspace. Remove any air bubbles and wipe the jar rims clean for a perfect seal. The final step is processing. Place your filled jars into a boiling water canner, ensuring they are covered by at least 1 inch of water. Process for 15 minutes, adjusting for altitude if necessary. Once done, carefully remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed on a towel for 12 to 24 hours. Check for proper seal. Store your beautifully canned salsa in a cool, dark place where it will be delicious for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.